Hello friends, today we will do extra question answers of chapter number 4, Metal and Non-Metals. MCQs. Question number 1. Which of the following is not a metal? Part A, copper. Part B, sulfur. Part C, aluminium. Or part D, iron. Answer is Part B, sulfur. The chemical element of atomic number 16, a yellow combustible non-metal. Sulfur occurs in volcanic and sedimentary deposits, as well as being a constituent of many minerals and petroleum. It is normally a bright yellow crystalline solid, but several other allotrophic forms can be made. Question number 2. The substance that will be flattened on beating with a hammer is Part A, crystal of iodine. Part B, lump of sulfur. Part C, piece of coal. Part D, zinc granule. Answer is Part D, zinc granule. Because the zinc granules are substances that becomes flattened on beating with a hammer. Question number 3. Bujo has learnt that non-metals on beating with a hammer are generally broken into pieces. Which of the following is a non-metal? Iron nail, aluminium wire, copper plate, or piece of coal? The answer is a piece of coal. The piece of coal is a known metal. Hence, on beating it with a hammer, they are broken into pieces. Question number 4. Materials which can be drawn into wires are called ductile. Which of the following is not a ductile metal? Part A, silver. Part B, copper. Part C, sulfur. Or Part D, aluminium. Sulfur. Sulfur is a non-metal. It cannot be drawn into wires. Hence, it is not a ductile metal. Question number 5. Metals are generally hard. Which of these following metals is an exception and can be cut with a knife? Iron, sodium, gold, or magnesium? Answer is sodium. Metals like sodium and potassium are soft and can be cut with a knife. Question number 6. Metals are generally solid. Which of the following metals is in the liquid state at room temperature? Part A, mercury. Part B, silver. Part C, aluminium. Part D, sodium. Solution: Part A, mercury. The metal which is in the liquid state at room temperature is mercury. Question number 7. Metals generally react with dilute acids to produce hydrogen gas. Which one of the following metals does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid? Magnesium, B, aluminium, C, iron, or D, copper? Solution: copper. Copper does not react with dilute hydrochloric acid. Question number 8. Which of the following reacts with cold water vigorously? Part A, carbon. Part B, sodium. Part C, magnesium. Or Part D, sulfur? Answer: sodium. Sodium reacts with cold water vigorously. Question number 9. The metal which produces hydrogen gas on reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide solution is Part A copper, Part B iron, Part C aluminium, Part D sodium. Solution: aluminium. Aluminium produces hydrogen gas on reaction with dilute hydrochloric acid as well as sodium hydroxide solution. Question number 10. Which of the following non-metals reacts and catches fire on exposure to air? Phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur or hydrogen? Solution: phosphorus. Phosphorus reacts and catches fire on exposure to air. Question number 11. Generally, metallic oxides are basic and non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. The solution of which of the following oxides in water will change the color of blue litmus to red? Part A, sulfur dioxide. Part B, magnesium oxide. Part C, iron oxide. And Part D, copper oxide. Solution: sulfur dioxide. The solution of sulfur dioxide in water will change the color of blue litmus to red. Question number 12. Which of the following property is not responsible for copper to be used as electrical conduction wires? Part A, ductility. Part B, color. Part C, good conductor of electricity. Part D, it is solid. Answer: color. Copper is used as electrical conduction wires because it is solid, ductile and is a good conductor of electricity. Thank you, friends.